right, zoom in on that contact.
Confirm 67 by 32 feet. That's the BELAZ.
Examining the BELAZ 75710 dump bed in a partially raised position, the massive hydraulic cylinders are frozen. Inspecting BELAZ 75710 fuel tanks for 700-liter diesel capacity, checking for fuel leaks, adjusting tension on the rear cable now.
The cable network requires over 400 attachment points just for the chassis.
And the synchronization must be flawless, or the frame will buckle.
Transport barge flooding ballast tanks, deck submerging to 60 feet depth, creating underwater platform capable.
First course of Blue 775-210, massive tunnel creating air shear, Sinusoidal S9, 80.
We are here live at the end of the colossal 177
4 synchronized mobile cranes positioning around BELAZ 75710 on barge. Each crane.
4 heavy lift vessels in square formation above a BELAZ 757 with
Installing tarps over BELAZ 5777 engine compartment, shielding twin Cummins engines from steam.
75710 electrical systems, 1000 volt AC electric drive motors, battery.
Did you document the scoring on the lower sidewall? Yes, and the impact fracture on the bed. The angle here is perfect for the texture shots.
detailed examination of all 8 BELAZ 7 tires, checking for drywall cracks, treadwear.
Entering BELAZ 75770, operator cab, single ergonomic seat, joystick controls, digital displays.
Removing engine covers from BELAZ 75710, exposing twin Cummins QSK6.
Surveying BELAZ 75710 electric drive system, 1000 volt AC motors at each wheel.
Inspecting BELAZ 75710 high-tech suspension, nitrogen charged accumulators, massive. Checking BELAZ 75710 braking systems, disc brakes at each wheel, hydraulic calipers, emergency brake, retarder system, all brake components seized.
Installing massive steel wheel chocks around all 8 BELAZ 75710 tires.
All right, we are clear. Take the tension.
Tension applied, hoisting slowly.
Watch your swing to the east. Gauges are green across the board.
Copy that. Well done, team. She's home.
Ready for the takeoff.
Examining BELAZ 757710 drivetrain, electric transmission system, planetary gears at each wheel.
Inspected BELAZ and 557710 cooling systems, massive radiators for twin engines, electric drive cooling.
See the stress fractures here on the cross member. We need to check the alignment tolerance.
Running the laser scan now, the deformation is significant.
High pressure washing of BELAZ 75710 exterior. Removing marine growth from steel surfaces, barnacles, rust scale.
Washing BELAZ 75710 chassis frame. Removing ocean deposits from box section steel. Exposing manufacturer's markings, serial number plate, structural details.
Cleaning BELAZ 75710 wheel assemblies, removing rust from steel wheels, hubcaps, lug nuts, brake rotors, visible behind wheels.
Pressure washing BELAZ 75710 dump bed, interior and exterior. Removing rust scale, sediment.
Washing BELAZ 75710 operate cab, cleaning windows, doors, access ladder, revealing cab details, control positions visible through glass.
Pressure washing BELAZ 75710's tail underside, cleaning axle housings, drive shafts, electric motors, brake assemblies, chassis understructure.
Draining and cleaning BELAZ 75710 WAN fuel tanks, removing contaminated diesel, cleaning fuel lines, draining BELAZ 75710 hydraulic system, removing contaminated fluid, flushing reservoir, lines, cylinders, preparing for rebuild.
The data from the gauge shows a 20% reduction in thickness here. We need to schedule a full replacement for this segment.
Keep hitting it, it's almost clear.
All right, she's loose. Okay, crane, slow hoist up, take the weight.
Extract first comments, K60 engine for BELAZ 77710, 16 the total, 16 liters.
Removing the first rear axle from the BELAZ 757N, the dual rear axle configuration. Extracting second rear axle from BELAZ 75710, both rear axles now separated, chassis frame exposed, ready for frame restoration.
Disassembling the BELAZ 75710 hub required heavy tools.
Rebuilding second rear axle for BELAZ 75710, matching specifications of first axle, ensuring balanced performance.
Rebuilding all 8 BELAZ 75710 wheel hubs, new bearings, seals. The hydropneumatic is free.
Okay, lift the entire assembly clear of the chassis.
Transcription inscription. Installing second rear axle on BELAZ 757. Dual.
Installing first rebuilt rear axle on BELAZ 75710. Mounting to chassis. Connecting drive systems. Suspension components.
All right, these are the spring-applied components for the emergency brake. We need to release the tension before we can pull the rotor.
Extracting hydraulic pumps from BELAZ 75710, engine-driven pumps, electric motor-driven pumps, accumulator systems, control valves. Removing BELAZ 75710 fuel tanks from chassis, 4,700-liter capacity tanks. Checking for corrosion, cleaning, and repair planning.
stripping all remaining components from BELAZ 75710 chassis, reducing to bare frame structure, exposing box section steel construction.
Sandblasting BELAZ 75710 chassis frame, removing all rust and paint, exposing bare steel, checking for stress cracks and damage.
Welding repairs to BELAZ 75710 chassis frame, stress cracks at mounting points, reinforcing critical areas, maintaining structural integrity.
Storing BELAZ 75710 dump bed separately, repairing stress cracks.
Restoring
All right, easy now. Take the weight slowly. We have clear separation. Bring it over the line.
Removing second Cummins engine from BELAZ 75710. Twin end engines.
Slings are secure on the variable frequency drive.
Copy that.
Begin the lift sequence slowly.
Removing BELAZ assembly drive 1710 to 0 front axle assembly, unbolting assembly, disconnecting chassis.
Removing BELAZ 75710 steering system, hydraulic steering cylinders, control valve, linkages connecting to front wheels. Completely rebuilding dump bed hydraulic cylinders for BELAZ 75770. New seals, rods rechromed.
Complete overhaul of first Cummins QSK60 engine for BELAZ 75710. New pistons, rings, bearings, cylinder heads, fuel injection system.
Complete overhaul of first Cummins QSK60 engine for BELAZ 75710. New pistons.
Rebuilding second Cummins engine for BELAZ 75710. Both 16-cylinder diesels restored to factory specifications.
Installing rebuilt front axle on BELAZ 75710 chassis, bolting to frame, connecting steering, suspension, electric drive system.
Completely rebuilding BELAZ 75710 front axle, new bearings, seals, planetary gears, electric drive motors, steering components.
Okay, hit it again. Setting 5,000 Newton meters.
Installing second Cummins engine in BELAZ 75710. Twin engines now in place, 3,800 combined horsepower restored. Installing first rebuilt Cummins QSK60 engine in BELAZ 75710. Mounting to frame. Connecting systems.
Completely rebuilding BELAZ 7577 brake systems, new disc brakes, calipers, hydraulic components, emergency brake and retarder system.
Installing new radiators in BELAZ 75710. Cooling for engines, electric drives, hydraulics, new fans, pumps, thermostats.
Installing rebuilt fuel system in BELAZ 7570. Clean tanks, new pumps, filters, lines, connecting to twin Cummins engines.
Installing new radiators, cooling for engines, electric drives, hydraulics, new fans, pumps, thermostats. Mounting all 8 restored tires on BELAZ 75710 Tandi, inflating to 100.
That's in 7 and some. Race. First gear, Blush 7. What's your lip?
Carefully now. Easy does it.
Got it. Aligning the bolt holes.
A 75710 operator cab, repairing cab structure, new windows, rebuilding interior, new seat, controls, instrument panel.
We've upgraded to a 1,000-volt system, new batteries, alternators, and all new lighting for enhanced performance.
Attic.
The stress points on the suspension look good, but let's double-check the torque. Conducting comprehensive systems testing on BELAZ 75710. Electrical checks, hydraulic. Placing wear liner, straightening frame, sandblasting, and painting.
Loading BELAZ 75710 dump bed with test weight 100 tons, 200 tons, 400 tons, Full 450-ton capacity.
Testing basic resupply band adaptation, plan risk calibration, brakes will multiples of everything.
Testing BELAZ 75710 electric drive system. Engaging all-wheel motors. Checking torque